everybody, Justin Worden here, and I'm standing in front of the KYZEN booth at the Dallas SMTA show with one of my favorite people in the industry, Fernando. How are you today?
Very good. How about you?
Good, man. Good. They got you on the road these days.
A little bit.
Yeah, you guys are hustling?
I'm on a tour of the country.
Tour of the country. There you go. There you go. What's the next stop after this?
It's gonna be Houston.
Okay. Are they keeping you in the United States, or are you traveling outside at all?
A little bit of both.
Okay.
So I'm trying to support the team all over the Americas.
Okay. Perfect. Perfect. Now, how long have you been with KYZEN?
18 years.
18 years.
Mm-hmm.
Man, you got some seniority over there.
A little bit, yeah.
Yeah. So what's your main role now over at KYZEN these days?
I basically oversee the sales team in the Americas, okay, North and Latin America, and make sure that the customers are taken care of, whatever support they need and all that. The sales team is usually the first stop for support, and we have sales engineers, not just sales guys, so they are able to help customers with the technical problems that they may be having.
Well, I can definitely give you kudos on the support. I mean, when I came into the industry, you kind of took me under your wing, showed me a lot of the ropes, introduced me to a lot of customers, but more importantly, you really just taught me how to communicate with the customers in this specific industry, because it's a lot of building the rapport, but you got to have some of that technical lingo going on as well.
Yeah.
So,
it's a little bit, a little bit of a learning curve when you come from outside the industry.
Yeah.
Okay, you need to learn to talk the language that's spoken in this industry.
Absolutely. Well, Fernando, you carry a lot of weight in the industry, not only with KYZEN, but also with the SMTA. How long have you been participating with the SMTA?
I've been an officer in the Capital Chapter for almost 13 years. And I've done different things, from president to now treasurer. I was even the newsletter editor at one point.
All right.
So I'm helping any way I can. And now I'm in the global board of directors, and trying to help at the global level too.
Well, on the global side of the SMTA, I mean, the growth is at a hockey stick right now. I mean, we're seeing more people get involved with the SMTA than ever before, which is wonderful because of all the support and the information that the SMTA provides. But if you were to give one reason why someone should come check out a local SMTA event, what would that be?
The technical talks, that's what the SMTA is all about. It's about passing knowledge along in the industry. So it's one of the main reasons to come to the shows. Plus you see the vendors and their new technologies that they offer, and how they work for you in the manufacturing environment.
Well, Dallas is off to a great start. I think Houston's going to be even better. We appreciate the time, Fernando.
Nice to see you again. Thank you.